The Kawasaki ZH2, which rightfully caused a global sensation when it was introduced thanks to its supercharged engine, continues to be the only forced induction naked type machine in production today. The 200 horsepower ZH2 and its premium sibling, the ZH2 SE, are equipped with a variety of technologies and rider aids that support their places at the top of the hyper-naked sector by utilizing Kawasaki's distinctive in-house designed balanced supercharger technology. The ZH2 continues to provide cutting-edge technology and thrilling performance for the 2023 model year. This includes amenities like an upgraded electronics package with an IMU that includes electronic cruise control, traction control, power mode selection, launch control, as well as other top-tier features like a bidirectional quick shifter with integrated braking and an assist and slipper clutch. The ZH2 has Brembo M4.32 calipers, whilst the ZH2 SE has the newest Stelima calipers from the Italian company. Shoei also offers an electrically damped suspension system with cutting-edge skyhook technology, which is intended to make the vehicle perfectly stable as the suspension absorbs road irregularities. The broad handlebar and extremely informative full-color TFT display dominate the rider perspective on both motorcycles, which also have smartphone connectivity compatible with version 2 of the Kawasaki Radiology app. Both machines also benefit from a trellis frame inspired by the Ninja H2 and all LED lighting incorporated into the distinctive Sugumi style. The decision of which ZH2 to focus on becomes much more difficult when the Performance Edition is included, which includes a titanium akrapovic exhaust and color-coded seat covers. The metallic matte graphenosteel grey ebony will be the color option for the ZH2 in 2023, while the ZH2 SE will be dazzling in metallic matte graphenosteel grey ebony mirror-coated black. Both models are expected to make their way to the international market by February 2023. At present, there's no word just yet when the updated ZH2 and ZH2 SE will make their way to the local market.